welcome to Sandra Sensations. Just in the door from work, and I'm coming in to do a painting, as I always do. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. I've got blue metallic sapphire down here, and I'm going to give it a quick little torch just to get some of the bubbles out, because I just gave it a little mix. And there's a few bubbles in here. Now my wonderful man Greg went to a thrift store and found me this neat little, I think it's a double boiler steamer kind of pot. I don't cook, so I don't really know, but it looks cool for painting. So I'm going to try this on here. Now usually you would put it this way down, but I'm going to do it this way because I want the drops to cause a little bit more of a pattern maybe. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if it works out. And I'm hoping that the colors just stay in the inside of this pot and not spread completely, because I want to take the blow dryer to it after. So that's my plan. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, thank you so much. It means the world to me. The only thing that I'm lacking on, I think, is comments. I love reading the comments, but I don't get very many. The ones I do get, though, awesome. Thank you so much, everybody that comments. But I'm hoping I get more, so here I am begging for comments. Let me know what you think of the video. Thanks, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to put this guy down approximately in the center, give or take a little bit. And I'm going to do a mixture of different colors. Berry, probably the wild berry, which is a pinkish color. This one is the berry wine, which is my new favorite. I've got some sky blue as well. Some bright blue, which is Artist Loft's Ready to Pour. It's already pre-mixed. I haven't added anything in there. We're going to try that. It looks brighter than this sapphire blue, I'm hoping. It should work out well. And I'm also going to add some red. Red helps accent with the wine berry. And this one's a pre-mixed, ready to go as well. So that's what I'm going to do with a little bit of white. And this has a little bit of silicone in it. This whole bottle has about 2 drops. And there's not very much paint left in here. So I don't know what we're going to get for cell action. We'll see. Okay, let's get rolling here. I'm going to first start with, I think, some red. And the red has got a seal on it. I have not used it at all. Just shows you this is brand new, never used. So it'll be a test run. Let me get rid of that lid. Okay. Wipe off my red paint on my fingers. So red's going down first. I'm hoping that this is going to make a really cool pattern. I know these holes are huge. Okay, it's quite a bit of red on there. Now let's do some wild berry. Okay, now I think I'm going to put some white on. And I think I'll be scraping that paint right off of this when I'm done too. Try and get more in the holes. I don't know. We're just playing it by ear here to see what happens. Okay, let's do some of the berry wine. How can you tell I like this color? I'm spraying it lots. But this metallic sapphire that's on the base just looks awesome with this berry wine. Okay, now let's go with some light blue, which is my sky blue. Okay, and then finishing it off with some of my bright blue pre-mixed stuff. Okay. Now I'm just going to take my little spatula here and get rid of some of this paint on top, hopefully into the holes. Don't want to waste, right? This lid is looking really cool, or not lid, pot, whatever it is. Okay. Boy, if I had another canvas ready to go, I'd almost flip this and press it right down onto a canvas. It would probably give a really cool design. But I wasn't thinking ahead. Okay. Now that got quite a bit off. I don't want to muddy it up too much. Okay, we'll just put that aside for now. Get rid of my napkin. And I'm going to grab something to put this pot on. Sorry, I'm just going to leave the camera angle for a second. How can you tell I just got in the door from work? I wasn't ready. Okay. I'm going to pull this pot up now. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Hope you can see that. Actually, it looks really cool. Okay, put that over here. And now I'm going to give a little bit more white. Not enough white in there. So I'm going to flood it with some white, because I want to do this as a blowout. I guess technically it would be kind of a Dutch pour maybe. Okay. Now let's see if I can get this moving with my blow dryer here. Got a nice good puddle happening. We have lots of cells, which is excellent. Just going to let that sit for 5 seconds here. And hopefully it'll make a big mess when I blow it out. Let's go. Let's try it. Oops, I looks really cool, but it needs more. I think it needs more white, and I think it might need a little bit more berry. I don't think I need some cell action, so I'm going to take some of my regular white. Let's try that. I just felt like it needed more. Let's see how that does. Okay, now let's give it a torch and see how that's looking. This blue sapphire underneath, the metallic, is just going to dry gorgeous when it's all dry. It's going to really pop. There we go. That actually turned out really pretty. I still think it's missing something though. What do you think? Maybe some more of the bright blue needs to go on there? Let's try. Can't do any harm to it, right? I'm just going to add some in here. Here. I just feel like it needs something. I'm going to get my little compressor. Okay, let's give that a torch and see if there's any cells happening. What do I do with my torch? Right here. Well, this is a quick little painting. We're already done. Even with adding a bit more paint. Alright. Now I think you have a pretty good view here. I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. See if you can see it a little bit better. There we go. This is going to be really pretty when it's completely dry. Love the metallic sapphire. Love that color. Really glad I added that bright blue in the center. It just added a little punch to the painting. A little more 3D looking. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please come back and watch another video or hit my page button and view many videos. I've done several. Thanks again. Enjoy everyone.